everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today's video is going to be a very simple video showing you how to make sort of pizzas for the kids. Very simple. They really like it for lunch, so I thought I'll show you a lot because I expect a lot of you have children, and I expect even if you haven't got children you'd still like this. So what we need, we're going to need some of these, which is the Totila Wraps. Okay, what you do then is cut them into like Dorito shapes, okay, like that, and then all we do then is we cover them in tomato sauce, or you can have barbecue sauce, which I'm going to do. I'm going to do a mixture of both, right? So get yourself a spoon for each flavour. So I have barbecue sauce, I have tomato sauce, right? You're going to need a baking tray, which is what I've got here, okay? And then all you do is just put a little bit, I'm going to make these ones barbecue, a little bit on each of your Doritos, right? Then just cover your tortilla thing in a bit of barbecue sauce, stick it in the tray, okay? Just keep doing that. Right, the barbecue ones, I mean, you can put whatever you want on the top. You can have ham, you can have, if you want vegetarian ones, you can have peppers, mushrooms, whatever flavours you like. Your hot dogs or chicken, whatever flavour you fancy. I'm going to make all these ones. Oh, bugger. Barbecue. Okay, I'm just going to cover them all in barbecue sauce and I'll get back to you in a minute. Right, this. Okay, so each one of the tortilla wrap cuts are covered in barbecue sauce. Right, now I'm going to put sausages on this one because I had some leftover sausages from the other night. So I'm going to cut up some sausages, okay, and I'm going to put them on my Doritos. What I'm going to do is just cut them into little slivers. Don't have to be particularly big. I've got sausages, hot dogs, say whatever flavours you fancy. Okay, and then just put them on your bits of tortillas. Now, making these is a good idea of using up tortillas if you've got any left over. So they taste good. Kids really like them. So just put a bit of sausage on each one. So you don't have to be sausages, you can make them vegetarian. You can make them whatever you want. But they taste good. Quite nice for parties as well, because tortilla wraps don't go very far if everybody wants one. That's it. And then what we do now, wash your hands because mine are all sticky. Then what we do now we put some cheese on top. Now I use a good old fashioned cheddar cheese because that's my favourite cheese. But you can obviously again put whatever cheese you want on top. Right, just grate some cheese. Probably didn't see me grate cheese, but I think you all know how to grate cheese. And then just sprinkle a little bit on each of your tortilla wraps. Like that. All quite good for a party. Oh, it's my phone again. My phone always goes off when I'm on YouTube. I'm trying to make a video. Don't know why, it just does. Okay. So we just put a little bit on each of them. Like that. This is what they end up like. They didn't take 8 minutes, 10 minutes actually. Just wait until like the cheese brands off and the tortilla wraps go a little bit more crunchy, and then they're ready to eat. This is the barbecue sausage one. I'm going to make some tomato and cheese with some pizza seasoning on top. And these would be like pizza flavoured ones. So I'm going to show you how to make them. Right, so for the pizza flavoured ones, you do the same as you did with the barbecue ones, but from this time you cover them in tomato sauce. So we do the same as we did with the last ones, but we put tomato sauce on them instead. Or tom sauce, whatever you want to call it. Ketchup. Okay. So cover them all in some tomato sauce. And put them in your baking tray. So again, great for parties, and the kids really like them, and it makes a change from having sandwiches all the time, you know, because sandwiches can get really boring. You know, you can only make so many different flavoured sandwiches until, you know, it becomes a bit on the boring side. Anyway, do all them and then I'll be back. Okay, same as last time, I've covered them all in tomato sauce. Now all I'm going to do is put some grated cheese on top of them again. Okay. It's like, it is sort of very similar to making little pizzas. I say, very simple, very tasty. Right, just sprinkle cheese over the top of each one. Yes, Brad, you may eat one in a minute. Son's trying to eat them already. Do seem to go down quite well with the kids. I say, make them whatever flavour you want. Mushrooms on them and peppers if you want a vegetarian option, or just make them plain like these ones are going to be. Lamborghini. You can't have Lamborghini flavoured breads. Son's obsessed with the Lamborghinis. Literally. If anybody wants to buy him a Lamborghini, he's quite willing for you to buy him one. If not, you might have to wait a little while until Mummy becomes famous, or he becomes famous.
That's not gonna happen.
Or my sister, his daughter's sister becomes famous. Right, we've
That's
done
not
that.
gonna flipping Lamborghini.
We've done that. Covered them all in cheese. Right, now what we're going to do, we're going to sprinkle some...
And you can also just have this. You could just have another.
We're going to sprinkle some pizza seasoning on top of them. Yeah, like Bradley said, you can just cook them plain and just season them with a bit of salt. Or a bit of paprika. They like paprika. When I'm making chilli, I don't put flavor. Don't do it like this. I just cook them plain, and I just sprinkle them with a bit of salt or a bit of paprika.
And then we have it with chilli.
Yeah, then they dunk them in the chilli. Right, that's done. They're all covered in the seasoning.
Ta-da!
I'm going to put them in the oven for 8 minutes. They take about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven. And then we'll be back in a minute. When they're done, they're at the oven, looking really yummy. Okay, so we have for lunch today, we have pizza flavoured tortilla wraps and sausage and cheese.
Nice cheese. And with
Tortilla wraps.
and it's barbecue sauce on it.
It's got barbecue sauce on that one.
And then one's got ketchup.
Yeah. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Try giving them a go. They're ever so simple. Kids really enjoy them. Right, see you all soon. Bye, everybody. Bye, bye, boy, 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 boy. Boy. Bradley says boy.
Boy.